your application. In that matter, my name is Wanyama, appearing for the accused person.
May it please the Honorable Court. My name is Milimani Chief. I would like to be placed on record as watching brief for the complainant victim.
Cheekati Narasimha Rao. You understand English? Yeah, you have a charge of forgery. Particulars are that on 1st April 2010, at a known place within the Republic of Kenya, with intent to deceive, forged the signature to Malkiat Singh Dhillon on a letter of appointment promoting yourself to the position of production manager of Printing Services Limited, purporting to have been signed by the said Malkiat Singh Dhillon, the managing director of Printing Services Limited. Is it true?
No.
Not true.
If you don't make, I can request for a date after January, after the third.
After the third.
After the third donor. For reasons that my office is closed, I'll be in the village attending to some issues there. I can take the 20th if that is convenient with the court. 20th or 19th.
20th of January.
Yes, yes.
It's okay with you, Council?
Allow me.
Just a minute, Council. Is there objection to it?
We are not objecting to pay the honor, but we are just trying to comment with the offense.
Your Honor, may I be heard?
What did you want to say, Council?
Your Honor, I just want to bring to the court's attention the existence of court orders issued in miscellaneous application number E4147 of 2024, in which application the Honorable Court gave orders retaining the passport of the accused person in view of an attempted flee. Miscellaneous criminal application number E4147 of 2024.
4147.
4147, Republic versus the Director of Immigration Services,
In which the court
gave orders for the detention by the investigators, the Office of the DCI, of the accused person's passport. Passport number W70555339. In addition, the same court directed that the Director of Immigration Services does issue a restriction order to the accused person's travel. Your Honor, my kind request is that the same orders issued in E4147 be applied when the court is considering the issue of bail and bond, noting that there was an attempt by the accused person to leave the jurisdiction of this honorable court, a fact that necessitated that miscellaneous application to be filed. Your Honor, I must also note, as counsel watching brief, that the accused person is the subject of investigations by the DCI in a separate matter involving the same victim, where it is alleged that the sum of Kenya shillings 254,400,000 461, 768 has been stolen. It's an offense of stealing by servant. I so humbly pray. That is all.
Do you hear from the prosecution first?
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry to say that counsel might have jumped the gun. We were to make this application together with another application that we'll be making in the same file after the issue of bail in Forgery. We have an application we are supposed to make in relation to the passport and fingerprint taking, Your Honor.
Your Honor, let me first start with the latest remark by counsel about the 204 million. Your Honor, we must be alive to the charge that is before the court. That is not what we are dealing with. Your Honor, with respect to the passport, Your Honor, we are not before you to make an application for release of the passport. If anything, we do not have a problem if that passport is deposited with the court. What is before the court is an application for bail. Your Honor, the accused person has been enjoying orders of anticipatory bail issued by the High Court in miscellaneous application number E430 of 2024. You are aware all these issues had been raised, and the High Court in its wisdom ordered the accused
Anticipatory bond, in which case?
in High Court, Milimani High Court miscellaneous application number E430 of 2024. Where all these issues were raised by the prosecution. And upon our bringing of the circular they are before the court, Your Honor, the learned judge ordered the accused person to execute a personal bond of 200,000 in his own name. Your Honor, I must say that the accused person has adhered to the terms of the anticipatory bail to the extent, Your Honor, that the IU reached out to us yesterday at 4:42 p.m. notifying us of this plea. And yet we are here. It's not a flight risk.
At what time?
At 4:42 p.m. yesterday. Your Honor, with respect to his ability to post bail, Your Honor, I must note that he has been out of employment from around April. He has utilized all his savings on medical treatment. Your Honor, if you were to look at him, you will note that he's leaning forward at the neck. Your Honor, for reasons that there are screws embedded in his neck. He suffers from a neurological disorder.
On his own bond of pension is 500,000 plus one side surety, or in the alternative, a cash bail of pension is 200,000 plus one contact person. In addition, his passport is deposited in court. He is not allowed to leave the country without permission of the presiding magistrate. Prosecution to supply the defense copies of all documents to be used at the trial. The case will be mentioned, that is a normal mention, 3rd of January. Pre-trial is on, they've given you the date for pre-trial, that's 20th.
Before you pen off,
It's prosecuting.
you also had an application that the accused person to present himself before the investigating officer at RCIO for fingerprint taking.
Duncan Chego. Duncan Chego.